Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Trane thermostat is showing the error code 126, then this video is going to give you the easy fixes for it. So first of all, you need to turn off your HVAC system from the thermostat. Now you need to go to your circuit breaker and then you need to switch off the HVAC power. Now, once you have done that, you just have to basically wait for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you just have to turn everything on. Now, this particular step is going to reset the system communication and it often clears the error 126. Now, if the error is still there, you can check the wiring. For that, you just have to turn off the power again for safety. Then remove the thermostat from the wall plate and inspect the wires. Just make sure that all the wires are securely connected and these are not loose or damaged. Also check the control board wiring inside your HVAC unit if possible. Sometimes loose or faulty wiring is one of the most common causes of this error. Now error 126 often means devices are not talking properly. So if you have a Trane communication system, you can check the indoor unit, you can check the outdoor unit and thermostat. Just make sure that all the components are compatible and powered on. If your system uses a network module, you can restart it as well. Sometimes resyncing the system also fixes the issue instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.